Hello friends, welcome to True Review. In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of LG front load washing machine. So let's get started. So this is the box of the LG front load 9 kg washing machine, and we ordered it from Amazon. So let's see what comes inside the box and how the installation process works. The washing machine has arrived safely. Before opening, I am checking the outer packaging for any sign of damage. The authorized LG technician is handling the unboxing. This is recommended because they can inspect the machine and ensure everything is installed correctly. So inside the package we have the washing machine, water inlet pipe, user manual, warranty information and other standard accessories. Basically technician is do all the things like removing the transparent bowl, connecting the water inlet, setting up the drain pipe, labeling the machine. These steps are important for smooth and vibration free operations. So let's do a quick demonstration that also guided by technician at the time of installation of washing machine.
You will come. Ma'am, 9 kg means 9 set, ma'am. Shirt pant is 1 kg. You can put 9 pair, ma'am.
Okay.
Here, normal powder or liquid anything, ma'am. Here,
It is
comfort
okay.
softener. You can select the pre-wash means you can put both side powder, ma'am. This is for soaking, this is for wash. Soak and wash. Pre-wash
Okay.
means soaking and wash, ma'am. This indication, ma'am. First one is cotton dresses, ma'am. Second, cotton plus means bedsheet, screen, that clothes, madam. Mix means daily usage, ma'am. Easy care means one time use, no, that clothes, ma'am. Silent wash means night time, ma'am. Noise will not come, slowly will wash.
Okay.
Allergy care and baby care, steam water, madam. Download cycle means only rinse and spin, no wash.
No wash, only rinse and spin.
Download cycle, ma'am.
Download.
Tub clean means the descale powder will come. Every 30 wash you can use it, ma'am.
Every 30 wash. Okay.
Duvet means
blankets, bed sheets and all. Okay.
Quick 30 means less cloth, ma'am. Sportswear, ma'am. Woolen sweaters
Okay.
and your delicate dresses, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, you can select the program means temperature spin will come default, madam.
Okay.
Suppose you want to increase or decrease this button, ma'am.
Okay. Then.
On, select, start, madam. This are extra options.
Okay.
Add item means you can put one more clock also, door will open. Starting 5 to 10 minutes, ma'am. And this is for delay and means starting will take 3 hours, ma'am. Suppose you can select for 8 hour and start means machine will start after the 7th hour will turn it on, 8th for end time, madam. Rinse plus machine have one time rinse, ma'am. You want double time means you can add it here, ma'am. Incentive means washing quality will do 2 time washes, ma'am.
The control panel is easy to understand and the machine offers multiple wash programs for different fabric types. You choose your program according to your fabric type. Now let's talk about the design and build quality. My first impression of the LG 9 kg front load washing machine is that it looks premium and well built. The design is clean, modern and minimal, which fits perfectly into a simple and clutter-free home. The front panel has a slick finish with a large control dial and an easy to read display. The door feels sturdy and solid, and the drum appears to be made from high quality stainless steel. The overall construction gives confidence that this machine is designed for long term use. This washing machine does not try to look flashy, instead, it offers a clean design, practical features, and a build quality that feels reliable. Overall, my first impression of the design and build quality is very positive. It looks durable, premium, and well suited for modern homes. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will be see you in the next video where I will show you complete review of this washing machine after 1 month use. So stay tuned, goodbye, and take care.